Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are doing good. So today we are taking Princess to the vet for a full body checkup. And here we go. So guys, now it is 11 a.m. and we started from our house and we hope we reach as soon as possible because this is the first time we are going to that veterinary and it's like new. It's also in like some basement mein hai. That's what I heard from my dad. So let's see it out once I reach. So guys, it's already 11:45, like already 45 minutes done and we haven't reached yet. Right now we are searching. Actually, it's a new hospital. We are going for the first time. And Princess, wait, I'll continue. Princess, hi. Okay, so we are searching. We are not getting it, but now I called my dad and he said like the near location. Right now, me, my brother, Princess, and our caretaker, our driver, we have come. पहुँचल ना? अच्छा, we get to know that we have like crossed the location. Bad luck. We finally reached, but like we have reached to the destination, but we don't know where is the exact destination. I know that's very lame, but yes, this is where it is. This is the place, and Princess is over here. Chalo. Okay, so finally we reached the veterinary, and Princess is right now entering with all of us. Guys, right now we are sitting and waiting. The doctor is also in the corner, like where over there. So Princess idhar hai. Princess and my brother and our caretaker. Oi, hey, don't smell. Don't smell. Sit here. Naughty. You have come to a hospital like after 1.5 years. Princess, how is the feeling? Oi, how is the feeling? Gocho. These are the dog foods. That's a dog, matlab button. These are their treats out here. This is their like regular food. These, as much as I know, I'm telling you. And this is the like medicine store. And also, my dad called right now, and he asked us that what like पहुंच गए and all. Was just talking with him, so I had to stop the video. And we are waiting out here. So most of you must be thinking that why has Princess come to the hospital after 1.5 years? First of all, उसका जो भी vaccination वगैरह होता है, like vet comes to the house and does it all for all our 5 dogs. And today the reason why Princess has come is that while she's doing her urine, there's like little kind of blood coming out. So we actually don't know the reason why. That is why we have come to the hospital today. And also Princess is having false pregnancy. Yes. And all like before 1.5 years, Princess was a regular patient to the hospital because like you all know, right, uska like leg fracture hua tha, but most of you didn't know because I was not like shooting. I didn't have a YouTube channel that time. Okay, so now it's doctor time. So guys, now she's on the treatment table, and now the doctor came to check her body temperature, and her body temperature was 102, which is 102, and it was all right and she was fine. So yes. Okay, so guys, now the doctor was checking Princess's main part to see if there is any cuts or anything, to know that why is the bleeding happening. So yeah, so now the checking is still on. So you guys must be wondering why was I standing near Princess the whole time. It's because Princess is a girl who is very much attached to me and my dad, because I have done everything for Princess during her fracture. Even there are other people who have helped, like our house help and everyone. I don't know how, but her level of attachment with me and my dad is just different. Can I say bye? Not interested? I know. Also, I wanted to share with you guys that हमारे घर में even if my mom will also come too much close to my dad, Princess is very possessive about me and my dad. She'll be like, she'll bark to my mom like, get away from my dad. She's that type. एंड ऑल्सो घर में अगर कोई भी एक्टिंग करेगा ऐसे हाथ उठा के, दैट मतलब जस्ट टू टीज हर, टू लाइक हमको लाइक हाथ उठा के मारने के लिए, शी इज़ ऑलवेज रेडी टू अटैक देम. शी इवन गोज टू अटैक, बट देन द पीपल रन अवे फ्रॉम हर. So now it's time to take injections because like the doctor was doubting that she has any infection or anything. So one injection was an antibiotic, another injection was for infection, and another injection was for like stopping that bleeding during urine, and the other one I particularly don't remember. Yeah. Princess is a very 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 strong girl because you guys won't believe, but during her, what do we tell that, during her fracture time she has taken more than 60 antibiotics, and now just because she got ferocious is because antibiotics actually pain. That is why I was just like making her cool down. Yes. Now 2 injections have already been given in the left leg. Now is turning her into the right so that the man gives her the injection in the right leg. Guys, Princess's work is done and she's walking down here. Where? Yeah, here. She took 4 injections. चलो, इतना धूप हो रहा है बाहर. Also, सारे बर्तन रखे लो. We also took this बड़ा बर्तन for Princess. मतलब है, but as you all know that Bruno is also there, Blackie is also there, तो तीनों के लिए बड़ा बर्तन चाहिए no matter what. So we had to like take another one, and also उसके कुछ medicines लिए. Bye. I'll meet you guys in the car. So guys, I'm back to the car and right now we are heading home, and Princess is all right with her 4 injections she took. So yeah. Back home and मैं अभी प्रिंसेस को घुमा रही हूँ. She's down here. So yeah, it was wet visit day for Princess, and as I told you she took 4 injections. जाएगी घूमने प्रिंसेस? घर चलो चलो, पापा को मिलेंगे ना. Okay, I won't remove my mask because like there are people shifting things and God knows from where it has come. Others usually मतलब मैं मास्क पहनती हूँ because you guys know my dad is strict like very much for COVID, and here these people are shifting something. Princess तो मुझे ठीक ही दे. चलो. So we are inside the lift. बंद हो गया. Princess, how was your doctor visit day, Princess? How was it, Princess? Bro. That's my scrunchie. I can hear Cherry's bark. She's barking. Okay. चलो. Entry करेंगे. Hi. Both of them. So guys, here I am to end the vlog. So do drop a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye everyone.